Hello, hello, hello. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, SMC Davao? Aces! Alam sa lahat ng Aces Davao at sa lahat ng mga Aces na bunyay. Bago po yan, magpapakilala ko kayo. Sige, wait lang. Okay, game. Okay, na pala. Bago po yan, magpapakilala ko muna kami. Mabuhay!
Hello mga Aces! Ako po si Nick!
Hi, ako naman po si JL. Hi guys, ako po si Jeno. Hello po, ako po si Akira.
Hello guys, ako nga pala si Ming.
namin kasi kung wala po, hindi po mangyayari. Ganito lang sa event. Thank you so much po. Yes. Sa SMC na ba? Thank you so much po. At sa mga Aces! Maraming guys, thank you so much. So, sino yung mga tumalupon sa amin kanina sa airport? Si Chicho.
Chicho is here.
Thank you so much sa lupon niyo. At sa mga Aces na lumipad, kaya nakasabay pa namin. Kaya yung ibang Aces sa airport kanina. Thank you so much. Sobrang punta. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin.
Sana mo nag-enjoy ka. Nag-enjoy mo kaya? Yeah! Yan ang gusto ko sa inyo.
Hindi po sa mga nasa bahay sa yan.
Go! Ay, masaya natin yun.
Enjoy. Ano po?
Bakit? Hey! 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 Hi, Kate! Hey! Hi, Kate!
Hindi ko naman alam po.
Labo ka sa iyo.
Enjoy lang po kayo.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po sa pag-stay dito.
Guys, sana na-enjoy nyo yung first song namin. Matagal namin hindi na-perform yun.
Tsaka pansin ko lang, taas ng energy nila dahil feeling ko kung kumain na sila ng ano-ano.
Oo! Sa mga hindi pa kumakain ng ano-ano dyan, bili na kayo, ilang beso, kuha na kayo. And dahil mataas ang energy nila, feel ko okay pagsabayan nila tayo sa patintero.
Yeah.
So, Aces, feel ko alam nyo na itong chant na to. Sa mga hindi mo nakakalam ng chant na to, sabayan niyo po kami sa chorus. So, pag tinagtakan po namin, alam ko na ng patintero. Sabi ay, let's go! Isa pa, alam ka na ng patintero. Let's go! Tama, alam ka na ng patintero. Let's go! So, next naman, alam ka na ng patintero.
So, the next word na sasabihin is
Yes! So, try natin. Magiging mga bahay. Yun. Parang isa. Parang...
yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Balita lang at bawi na.
Okay, nice. Okay, ito na yung last. Madali lang ito sasabihin lang natin ay palitan lang at bawian. Pag ginagawa namin... Alin?
Yan! Sasabihin niyo lang yung yabang lang at karapatan. Pwede ba bang sabi yun?
Yabang lang ang karapatan.
Ayan, so buuin natin. Simula ang umpisa. Natagdagan niyo ba? Ano yung unang word? Wala na, baksa. Wala. Ano yung mga hindi mo nanginig? Ano yung unang word? Ayan. Yung second naman.
What?
Yung pinakalas, yung sabay-sabay.
Yabang lang.
Alright. Sige, sampulin natin.
Go.
Hindi ka na patindi. Hindi na nagbabihan. Wala kang makukuha ang pwede. Wala na kapatay. Hindi na patindi. Hindi na nagbabihan. Wala kang makukuha ang pwede.
Let's go!
Hindi baby, siguro para lang naman. Gusto ko lang palabas ito na sigareta. Oh no, mukhang naghahanap pa ng chiko.
Pili ko lang kung gusto nyo isang chocolate halo-halo supreme, no? Naubos nyo sa kayo ng malaki? O hindi kaya? Po? Ay! Grabe naman, para sa akin talaga. Ayan. Lahat po ba hindi na taga-Davao? Saan nyo iba? Oh. Ay, sorry. Happy Miss Bully.
Hi, Lucy! Let's give it up once again for PGYO! Hello to Akira, Nate, Nikki, JL, and Jella. Thank you so much. Daghan salamat for being here with us today. I'm sure you're all sweating now, but I'm sure everyone is so happy to see all of you here on stage.
Salamat po. Okay lang mainit kasi
Ayan. They're speaking Bisaya already. You want to know some other Bisaya words?
Yes, po.
I have some Bisaya words here. So since we're here with Chowking, and since sobrang sarap yung mga food ni Chowking, I'm gonna teach you what masarap is in Bisaya.
Okay ba?
So it's a very short word. Lami.
Lami.
Lami. Kung sobrang masarap, lami kaayo.
Lami kaayo.
Ayan. Pwede na. Okay. We have another word also now. Happy. Happy. Masaya. So it also starts with an M.
M?
Also starts with an M. Malipayon.
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 Happy. That means happy.
Malipayon.
And I'm sure your fans will want to hear this from you. To say I love you in Bisaya. So I love you in Bisaya here in Davao is Gihigugma ka namo.
Gihigugma ka namo. Gihigugma ka namo.
Ayan. So, pwede na kayo mag-move dito sa Davao with just those 3 words.
Sige po. Malamig.
Dahil po, sabi namin palagi. Pag may nakasalubong.
Ayan, so let's raise that killing factor a little bit more. I dare you guys to make pickup lines using one of our 13 sangkap.
Okay, sige.
Kaya nyo yan?
Alam niyo naman kung sino yung pambata sa pick-up line, no? Sino? Ay, alam na nila.
Sino? Bakit?
Sampunin mo nga.
Ano yan? Yan, ikaw siya dito.
Ayan, nakalimutan na. Ito na.
Wala pa hina pa si Aki nalilimutan.
Hey!
Talaga ko pa naman maraming bahay.
Ayan, pickup line.
Ay, sis! Nataba kayo?
Bakit?
Kasi natatamaan ako sa mga ngiti at titig niyo.
Mukhang marami ng tamaan sa pick-up line mo.
Grabe naman.
Ayan, ang pick-up line. Meron pa kayo?
Meron pa?
Meron pa. Sige.
Lapit ka.
Sa lahat ng mga nanonood dito, makapulo talaga kayo.
Ay!
Isa ba bakit? Kasi kayo ang makapupulo ng buhay namin.
Ayan, killing factor. Killing factor.
Sabay, sige nga, sabay.
Sige naman.
Meron ba? from Jensen
Oy.
to be
Yan ang taga-Jensen.
yes. So special jud kaning adlaw kay andito kayo with all the Aces fans. Now of course you see our Sangkap Cube at the back. You guys wanna check it out?
Okay.
Okay.
Siguro sobrang lamig din sa loob.
Papasok ng foreigner tayo.
Feeling ko hindi. Feeling ko hindi malamig sa loob.
Malamig. Parang okay.
Oo, parang nasa ice cream din kayo doon. So I think this is a perfect time for a picture. Ayan. So to all our guests, family, neighbors, friends, if you want a picture just like BGYO in our Sangkap Cube, it's open until 10 p.m. And don't forget, when you take your pictures, upload it and use our official hashtags, hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Land and hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. And just like the ice cream, they're also announcing.
Picture!
Ayan, BGYO in our Sangkap Cube. They're experiencing our 13th Sangkap up close on the big screen. Bakit yung fans din sa Davao? I wanna ask, first time niyo ba dito sa Davao?
Hindi, first time ko na mag-show dito sa Davao. Pero nanggaling namin dito for quarantine.
Quarantine?
So hindi kami nakalabas. First time namin mag-show
Makijoin mo na
dito.
ako sa picture. Sorry mga Aces, makijoin mo na ako sa kanila. I hope that's okay. To our Aces and all your fans here today, BGYO. Of course, we've now experienced our Sangkap Cube. What can you say about it?
Sobrang lasa, promise. Tsaka, murang talaga. Alam mo yung feeling na nasa loob ka talaga ng halo-halo.
Ayan. So do you want to invite your guests and fans to try it out also?
Sobrang saya.
Aces, mag-picture kayo sa cube. Okay po?
Okay, okay.
BGYO, are you ready for your ultimate Chowking Halo Halo experience? Are you ready? Do you see our Halo Halo fan?
Ayun na there.
Ato, anato. Let's go there.
Okay.
Let's go to our Halo Halo fan.
Okay, sabi.
And while you're preparing for that, I want to call on Andrea, Mizzy, Jessa, Paul, and Carlo, because you will be joining us in the Halo Halo Band. Let's have a picture first.
Hello po.
BGYO, meet your KOLs for today.
Ready na mo ba kayo gumawa ng halo-halo? Okay. Tayo po yung partner. Bahala na. Aki. Ano po? Medyo ano pa? Magpapatayo pa.
Is everyone here? Andrea, Mizzy, Jessa, Paul, and Carlo? Yeah, let's have a picture together. Squeeze in, everyone. Don't fall off the stage.
Let's get a picture.
Alright, let's now go to our Halo Halo band.
Okay.
Pair one muna, pair one. JL and Andrea. Let's make way for pair one. Let's see if this is also going to be a competition as to who is going to make the best Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. Let's join BGYO and the rest of the KOLs on stage.
Grabe.
And our winner is... Joke lang. Hindi siya competition. Ayan, so let's have a final picture with our
Tagal lang yun ang for the
Pero sa physical ba sa online, basta animated ba ba?
Tama, alright. You see that you now have cups in front of you. What do you think you're gonna do? We already made halo-halo, so that's not an option. So what do you think this is?
Di ba kaya nanalo sa larong ito?
But it's another game. But for this game, hindi kayo yung contestants. We will choose two of our audience members today. So our marshals will choose our audience members.
Dito ba?
I'm sorry, sige. What's your name? Sam from Cotabato City, representing Emery Davao ICs. Alright, Sam.
Happy birthday niya ngayon! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sam. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Woo! Happy birthday to you, Sam.
Birthday din daw niya.
Okay, so we have our second game for today. More on memorization than siya. So this is our sum up memorization game. So I don't know, Sam and Shay, you will be reflecting or you'll be showing on your screens a sequence of sum up ingredients or mga sum up ng Shawty Halo-Halo Supreme. And you only have 10 seconds to memorize the sequence. 10 seconds now. Ang bilis lang talaga. It's a game of memorization.
Okay.
Kailangan mo to. You will help me count, BGYO. 10 seconds, okay? So again, we will flash the sequence on screen, and then you need to match the same sequence with your suck up cups. Let's already put the suck up cups out.
Okay.
Para makita nila yung mga ingredients. So ayan, Sam. Wait lang po. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Don't fret, Sam. There's still 2 rounds left. We always have another set for fairness. Let's have it out for now.
Bawal mo kami tumulong.
I will look at the directing team for that. They can help. It's fine.
Pwede pala.
Are you ready? Sequence number 2. Yellow beans, macaroni, pinipig, creamy milk. Oh, that's correct! We have a tie! That's why we now have our third sequence, our tiebreaker. Let's see if it's Shane or Sam who will bring home the prize today. Now let's look at the screen. Ten, 9, Let's see if they remember. Let's see if they remember. For our third sequence, to decide who the winner is, let's check here with Sam first. Ube ice cream, creamy milk, Mongo red sago, pinipig, tama, leche flan, napa de coco, langka and banana. Oh, where's the langka? No, langka. Oh, that's banana.
Oh my God.
Consider? Okay, consider. As consider ko dito rin mali. As working. Ako parang may salamin dito. Sorry. Let's check this one here. Sorry bro, let's check this one here. Ube ice cream. Creamy milk, mocha beans, red sago, banana. What's this one? Okay, so we got 2 winners today. But, sino una? Sila yung nauna, pero nahulog yung mga baso nila. So,
Bakit kaya nahulog yun?
consider.
Wala naman namin.
Our jury has decided Sam is the winner. Our jury has voted. Congratulations. Let's have a picture. Shake a picture muna kayo. Group picture. Give your phone if you want to, or take a selfie. Take this opportunity.
Thank you. One more, may video pa. One more. Okay na. Say, Choki Halo Supreme! Choki Halo Supreme!
Alright, thank you so much to Sana today. Congratulations. Thank you for joining us in our game. What can you say about their enthusiasm?
Grabe, sobrang competitive talaga na isip. Yung intro ka lang, grabe na yung energy pa din sa meetings mo.
Yes, of course. You brought so much joy to the lives. Is there another message you want to say to them?
Aces, maraming salamat. Balik-balik naman kayo dito na galing pa Metro Manila. Maraming salamat. Pakikens sa Pakirapo at sa iba pang parte ng Pilipinas. Thank you.
Yes, at syempre maraming salamat sa Shouting, yes, and Sundaraw sa pag-agawa ng event na to. Sobrang appreciate po natin kayo lahat. At sa mga nag-stay po sa taas, hello po. Thank you so much po sa sana po nag-enjoy kayo din sa taas.
Alright. Pero hindi kayo hanggang bukas, di ba?
Yes, po. Hindi nyo nagtatapos.
Nabitin kayo meron pa bukas guys, so kita-kita ulit tayo.
Tsaka po, mga pwede mo i-invite na friends nyo or family nyo, invite nyo pa bukas kasi parang mas masaya tayo dito, di ba?
Yes. Tomorrow we also have a meet and greet opportunity, right?
Yes.
Yes. So to everyone that wants to try their luck for a meet and greet, we have some mechanics. You are familiar or ako na magsabi? Okay. Ito nga yung mechanics. Kaya ang pinakabuhaton ninyo. Go to your chunking
Make sure na narinig ko yun kasi yun yung example na kailangan yung gawin bukas para makapunta ng meet and greet. Ayan. Sobrang dali lang na gawin nila yung Aces at saka lang ko makala dito.
1 p.m.
Alright, you heard it from BGYO. Only until tomorrow, 1 p.m. You submit your entries. This is your maybe once in a lifetime chance to have a special meet and greet with BGYO. But before we proceed with our performances, ako sa paminawang ang mensahe bilang sa atong brand director, Arya Valiko.
I just want everybody to show from the crowd here. What is your number one ultimate best halo-halo? Maraming salamat po. And with that, please stay tuned that the Chowking Halo-Halo Supreme can be enjoyed anywhere. When I say anywhere, it is in their Chowking Mini app. It's available in our 560 plus stores nationwide. We're also available in our Chowking Mini website and our delivery partner aggregators as well. And you can enjoy this all year round, wherever, whenever, from Luzon hanggang Mindanao, especially sa Davao. Maraming salamat po. At tayo lang na mag-Chowking
We now have a photo of BGYO. Don't you go anywhere. We're calling our Chowking leadership team on stage. Ayan sila mo. Calling the Chowking leadership team. Once again, calling our Chowking leadership team.
Let's go, Chowking team! Chowking
To
family!
join us here on stage for a photo op. Where are you, Chowking leadership team? Join us on stage.
Dito po ba?
Acting mo ng Chowking. Masina. Ayan, Nick, let's go!
Dito po, sino? Sinanday sa baba para kita lang.
Let's all squeeze in for a photo op with BGYO for the last leg of our Chowking Halo-Halo Land for this year. Look at the camera. The one pointing. Thank you so much, y'all, for Chowking leadership team. Di ba tayo tapos, BGYO? We also have our Chowking operations team to join us. Chowking operations team. And let's also call our SN executives. SN executives, please join us here on stage. Calling our SN executives, please join us. This is our last leg.
Oo, mga kapitang, nasa po, i-enjoy na natin po ang lahat.
Okay, come on now. Here's your partners from Davao.
Alright, welcome to the stage. Let's squeeze in again with BGYO for our photo op.
Forward po tayo ng working.
Okay, forward tayo. Let's look at the camera. Ready? Thank you so much, Papa. Salamat to our SN executive team. Also our venue partner. Now we will also have a photo with our KOLs.
Let's
Are we
go!
going to do it in the sound of you or on stage? On stage, but in calling our KOLs. Paging our KOLs from earlier. We have Jezza, Messi, Paul, Carlo. And meron pa isa. Wait lang. I already said that.
Ayan, complete.
Calling our KOLs. Wait.
So wow!
There we have our kiddos joining us here. Okay, let's move backward a little bit, everyone, so that everyone pakasya lahat. I'm so sorry, you can go here, I'm tall. Alright. I'll just be here in the background. Okay. Okay, ready? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Smile. Thank you so much to our KOLs.
Thank you so much po sa sama sa amin.
Thank you so much. BGYO, okay lang na mag-selfie kayo with faces. There will be a cameraman here. They will take BGYO. Don't give your phones muna.
Ito muna.
Ayan.
Smile, Aces!
Come together, Aces.
We are Chopping Halo Supreme Leader.
Chopping Halo Supreme!
Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1.
Chopping Halo Supreme!
I love the energy here.
One more.
Let's have another. Wave to the camera. Smile. Alright, thank you so much, everyone. But before we go to that part, thank you so much, everyone. Daghang salamat din nila for being here, sharing this day with all of us. BGYO, thank you also for sharing your day and your time with Aces here. We want to invite them to your meet tomorrow. You want us to say one more invite for them?
Aces, we'll see you tomorrow. So meet and greet. Don't forget the mechanics, and don't forget to use our hashtag Choking Halo Halo Land and hashtag Choking Halo Halo Supreme.
That's right. Don't miss this exclusive Supreme opportunity to get up close with the BGYO. Remember, Choking Halo Halo Supreme Salo size is the key. And of course, again, thank you so much for nag-join sa atong Halo Halo Land Tour. We're grateful that we're able to share the flavors of the Choking Halo Halo Supreme all over the Philippines with special guests like BGYO. And of course,
Gusto kong matawa. Makarating mo saan, ikaw lang bumalikan sa mundo. Sa'kin mata, sa'yo lang nakatingin, papapansin sa isang pintuin. Di ko ba rin kaya malasik, makatingin sa iyong hindi. Di ko maida-ida, ikaw lang talaga. Sabihin man sa akin ay di ba nila, pigilan man ang marami, at dito lang palagi sa aking mundo, ikaw ay mamayari.
But you have to remain here. Once again, my name is Pauline Bacharalme, so your host for today. I'm going to close the program, but I'm going to ask for some audience participation for the next performance. It's a TikTok song. Nagabo! Yes! Say it! Nagabo! 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 Yes! Thank you so much, Sergio. Ready na kayo, BGYO? Ready na! Take it away!
Once again, we are BGYO! Thank you, Aces. See you tomorrow.
tomorrow morning.